Hello friends, Namaskaram Andi. So you must be knowing that I am at Khairatabad, Hyderabad's tallest and biggest Ganesha, and this year they are going to make Sri Panchmanga Rudra Mahaganapati. So I just came here at Khairatabad and I thought I'll take this video to show you how the Ganapati is being made here.
ఓన్లీ క్యాషా డొనేషన్ క్యాష్ అయినా డొనేషన్ అంటే ఓన్లీ క్యాషా చేసా చేసా
So this is 67th year of Khairatabad Ganapati. This is one of the tallest and biggest of Hyderabad, and also this is most famous, and every person awaits for this Ganesha to come every year. Yes, so I being a Hyderabadi, I can definitely tell that everybody in Hyderabad awaits this Ganesha to come every year, and every year we want to see with the same enthusiasm. So this year Sri Panchmanga Rudra Mahaganapati we are waiting to see, and further I have very few information as of now because this is the first time I'm coming before the Ganapati puja. So in childhood we always used to come here, and coming here while the Ganapati is being made is really a true and very good feeling. So when I made a very little amount of donation of rupees 101, they were so generous and they gave me a book which made me feel so happy. I'll just show you that book and a small calendar as well. This is the leg of Mahaganapati, and the leg is already made. The puja is also being done over here. So these are few parts which will be installed along with side of the Mahaganapati. So this is the book which they gave me as a goodie. Ganesh Utsava Committee. Service to humanity is service to God is what they caption it. And right from 1954, when the first Ganesha was installed in Khairatabad, they have every photo of that Ganesha. I'll just open and show you that book as well. I mean the photos that is printed in this book. Let me just show you. I'll just turn the book and I'll show you. So this is that 1954, 55, 56 and up to so on. So you can just see, this feels so good to see all the pics of Mahaganapati right from the year 1954. So we have 1966, 67 down, we have up till 1977 we have in one page. 1954 to 1977 we have in one page. This is a plain notebook, and then at the last page we have from 1978. You can just see how beautifully they have made all the Ganeshas, and we all Hyderabadis love this Ganesha, and we wait every year for this Ganapati. 2001. So this page has from 1978 to 2001, and then on the back side of the book you have from 2002 to 2020. 2020 they had installed a small Ganesha around 9 feet, something like that I think, because of the COVID restrictions, but still with that same enthusiasm all the people of Hyderabad had gone and seen there. that Ganesha as well. So along with this, they had given me 3 or 4 calendar as well. I felt so happy when they gave me this book when I made the small amount of donation. So here in the calendar it is written Ganesh Utsav Committee 67th year of Ganesh celebration 2021. A small calendar. I loved this calendar. I will keep this at my office desk. So they gave me a calendar, a book with the photos from 1954 till 2020, and they gave me a sticker as well. I loved this sticker. I'll just paste it on my bike, on my TVS Jupiter. I loved this sticker. Thank you so much, Ganesh Utsav Committee, for giving me this goodies. So friends, further if I get a chance to go there and also take further progress video of this Ganesha, I'll definitely share with you all. Thank you for watching. Please do share, like and subscribe. Bye bye for now.